Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will show you how to reset the root password. This is helpful when you forget the root password or lock out said account. A few assumptions being made in this video. 1. You have console access to the operating system, virtual or physical. GRUB itself is not password protected. You're using RHEL 8 or above, and any of its downstream equivalents. So here I am at the login screen. But I completely forgot my password. And of course, I didn't write it down on a sticky note next to my workstation like a responsible sysadmin. So first we'll power off the machine gracefully if we can. And once that's done, we'll power it back on and interrupt the GRUB bootloader countdown with an up arrow key. Now we choose the most recent kernel version and hit E to edit. Then choose the line that starts with Linux and contains all of the kernel parameters. Go to the end of that line and add rd.break. Then hit Ctrl X or F10 to boot. Once you get a root shell, remount /sysroot as read-write, then use the change root command on the same path. Now reset your password. Last, but definitely not least, make sure to tell SC Linux to relabel your file system or all changes we made will not take effect. Then exit a couple of times to reboot the operating system. Here's SC Linux relabeling the file system. And now the reboot. And once presented with the login screen, test your new password, and you should be good to go. Thank you.